Yeah, the rain's going to be around off and on throughout the day today, and then it really picks up in intensity late tonight and tomorrow. And it'll continue all the way into Friday, and that's why the National Weather Service has already put out these flood watches for most of central Indiana, and these will likely be changed to some flood warnings as the heavier rain starts to move in the coming days. Here's a live look at TrueView radar right now, and the shower activity is pretty spotty and pretty light. So as you get out and about for your morning commute here, just know that you may have to put the windshield wipers on here or there, but not all of you will have to as you make your way across the state. Greencastle to Danville right now, some light rain. It's moving up into the Traders Point area in northwest Marion County, and this will continue to move into Marion County, eventually towards Carmel here in the next 15 to 20 minutes or so. Heavier shower now just to the east of Muncie, moving into the farmland area and eventually into Randolph County, and also Portland seeing some light rain showers right now. And it's just a real thin band of rain that you see is stretched across the state, and this basically is a front that is set up across Indiana, and it really goes all the way back into portions of Missouri, and right along that front we're going to see the rain. Now it's not going to be raining all the time. You can kind of see it's in waves. So the first wave moved through. We'll get a little bit of a break here in the morning hours. Then the next wave that's in St. Louis right now will move through, and then there's another one that's starting to develop across parts of Kansas. So as we go over to TrueCast, we can kind of time these out for you, although there will be some clouds and patchy drizzle throughout much of the day anywhere you go. But here comes a heavier band of rain this evening as we go into the 5-6 o'clock hour. That one's mainly to the south. And then as we go into the early morning hours tomorrow, the warm front starts to lift back through. There could be some isolated showers and thunderstorms throughout Good Morning Indiana tomorrow. And then you notice very heavy rainfall from Lafayette to Terre Haute. We may bring in some severe weather as early as tomorrow morning for our forecast, with damaging wind being the main threat, but can't rule out the chance of an isolated tornado. And then yet another round of rain comes in Thursday night into early Friday morning with the chance of showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be severe. Now here are rainfall totals for the next 24 hours. You notice over 1 inch to the south and at least 3/4 of an inch in northern locations. But watch what happens as I expand this all the way out till Friday. Watch how the reds explode here across central Indiana. And you go down to our legend here, that's about 2 to even 5 inches of rain that will be possible. Now I think the 5-inch totals are going to be pretty isolated. It's not going to be widespread, but nonetheless we are expecting a lot of rainfall, and that's why those flood watches are currently posted. Temperature-wise, we are in the 40s, 42 right now in Indianapolis. Mild air just down to our south. That kind of surges as we head into the day tomorrow and gets us up close to 70 degrees, which will help set up the chance for the severe weather. No severe weather throughout the day today, although we could have a few isolated thunderstorms. Look for a high of 57.